Today, we're going to create a course in the Garmin Explore app and send it to our compatible Garmin device. With the Garmin Explore app, you can download maps to your compatible smartphone and plan your next adventure. In this video, we will be using a Garmin fēnix 8 Series AMOLED Edition multi-sport watch, but the process is the same with any compatible Garmin device. You will need to have the Garmin Explore app downloaded on your compatible smartphone from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. We will be using an Android smartphone, but the process is similar on Apple devices. A short overview of the app will display when you open the Garmin Explore app. Select Get Started. If you aren't using Garmin Connect, you can create an account, or you can sign into an existing Explore account. Then review and accept the end-user license agreement and select Next. Then enter your account credentials. Now hit Next. If you would like to store your data, select Enable Cloud Storage. By selecting Not Now, your data will only sync to the device and it isn't backed up to your account. A short overview of the Garmin Explore app will be available. Once finished, select Done. Now allow the Explore app the ability to gain a device connection, provide notifications, and location permissions. Select Allow while using app. Now select the Devices tab. Your fēnix 8 multi-sport watch will appear here. Select the Map tab in the lower left. The current map is being streamed with a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. By default, the Garmin Explore app will also start downloading and creating an offline topo-active map for any location that is shown on the map. Selecting the Offline Maps tab will show any maps that have been downloaded. For additional details, please see our Garmin Explore app map overview video. From the Map tab, select the plus icon, followed by Create Course. A helpful tutorial will be displayed. Topo Active allows for following the local streets, paths, and trails. We are going to create a quick lunchtime run. Select the routing type icon at the bottom, then select the routing type. Select Running and Walking. Direct routing should be unchecked to allow for following the path or street that we checked. Now tap the screen to select your starting point. Tapping at any point where the road, path, or trail are will create your course. When you are done, just select Save. Here, you can change the color and name for the course. Then select Done. Now select Navigate. The Garmin Explore app will begin sending the course to your compatible Garmin device. From your fēnix 8, press the Start/Stop button to select the activity type you'd like to use. Select the Start/Stop button once your watch acquires a GPS signal. During the activity, you can press the down button to scroll through the different activity screens, including the course map and compass. Press the Start/Stop button to end navigation when you finish the course. And that's it. You can now create a course and send it to any of your compatible Garmin devices. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.